Howdy y'all, welcome back to Guns and Barbecue. So we have another unboxing from Gear Websites. This one we're actually just put on the patch panel already because I ordered a crap ton of patches. This was a Cyber Monday sale that G-Webs was having, and he made up all these really awesome Wolverine themed patches, and let me tell you, they are freaking awesome. I ordered all of them except one because it was already sold out when I went to get these. Then he was also doing a pick your own free patch with this. So in addition to these great Wolverine patches, he had some tacos, some of the Wolverine patches, other little oddball stuff like the Daily Gun Show label and the Gear Website stuff, which he graciously just threw into my package as well. I got the Wolverine tacos. Those are freaking awesome. There was actually I think about 6 or 9 of those, and I'm pretty sure they're all gone. But yeah, absolutely awesome. Like I said, there is so much here. It would have taken forever to do this like I normally do, so I just put them all on the patch panel, and figured I'd show them off this way. And this was quite the haul. And like I said, you got to pick your own free patches, so I had to actually pick these two. Then G-Webs just threw these two in there. A lot of these patches can still be found over on the Gear Website store if you want them. I believe they are 1984 on there for the movie Red Dawn, because it came out in 1984. So I hope you like this video. Please click the like, comment, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, and I will catch you all later.